Yes guys, we're back. The Evo is back. Good morning guys, we are back. Yes, we are back with the Evo, as you can see. And we've got a little mod to make today, but first I want to run over everything like I ran over it in the last video. Because the cock-up that I made, I'm going to own up to. And actually, it was a blessing. So, let me show you obviously what has happened since it went to Gary. So we've got a brand new rocker cover on, as we can see, and we're sticking to the red. Now this is actually, I believe, an Evo 7 rocker cover, because the 7, 8 and 9s will fit each other. And we've actually got the Evolution in here as well, which this still isn't on the last rocker cover. So that's pretty sick. So I'm really pleased with that. As we can see now that we're outside, we've got the aluminium spec R coolant reservoir, and we could have done the same for the power steering reservoir, but actually I like the contrast of the black and the silver. Obviously we've got our yellow hose, and also we've got the yellow hoses here, the upper and lower. So that is the engine bay. But what I want to talk about is, actually before I go around to the back, basically the cock-up I made, because it was such a long day and I was in such a rush, is that when I was basically taking, putting the old the new rocker cover on, under here, basically, I forgot to put the coil packs on, and I tried to put the screws in, and that's why I screwed too much. And basically what happened is the bottom of the rocker cover popped off, so it was my own fault. So it's me being an idiot, but it's a godsend, because Gary said to me, it's a good job you've done that, because if our rocker cover that we've got painted had have actually been put on correctly and used, it would have killed my engine. Let me tell you why. So basically Gary actually took the yellow one off when it went to him, Gary from AP Tuning this is, and what he found is the company who basically painted my rocker cover had sandblasted it before, and they hadn't cleaned out all the baffles correctly. I'm not going to do it, but basically he said in here, when he ran his finger under the baffles, it was covered in sand, and I mean caked. And basically what would have happened is the sand would have got into the engine, and he said, if you think a few shards of metal were bad from your little mistake, if you'd have had sand in the engine, you'd have killed your engine. And then we're looking at a brand new engine for the car. So me actually cocking up has actually saved me a lot of money. Oh well, benefits of being an amateur home DIY mechanic, I suppose. But whatever, I like to show you guys that I'm not a mechanic. I'm learning. The whole benefit of getting this car was a learning process as well. But I think, like I say, the new rocker cover looks absolutely sick. Now, I've got a simple job hopefully to do today, and I say simple, but what we're going to be looking to do is put on a carbon fibre shroud that I got from here. So I'll get that unpackaged and I'll show you guys it. But let me know so far what you think to the engine bay. I think actually with the yellow, I think this actually looks really, really good. And the next thing I wouldn't mind doing is getting my strut bar turned or painted yellow as well. So we have some yellow, and then we've obviously got that contrasting with the red. And like a client actually, or someone said to me, one of my friends, she said to me, it's actually quite nice because you've got the red and the yellow like the Phoenix rising up from the ashes, because we nearly screwed the engine up. But luckily we're back. Okay guys, so the part that we got, actually what we're going to be fitting today, is a simple little carbon fibre shroud. So if I spin it around, so this basically will sit around here somewhere, and it's literally just a carbon fibre shroud that's going to sit over here and just make the engine bay look a bit nicer. I think that looks nice with the carbon fibre compared to if I pull it away and we've just got all these stickers and everything on show. And then what I also did order from Torque Solution is, there we go, Torque Solution, basically just some new brackets that will just replace these stock OEM ones. Again, as with a lot of my stuff, this came from Ross Sport. So Ross Sport are really, really good for getting Evo parts for any Evo from numbers 1 to 10. So check those guys out. So they're the Torque Solution brackets. We're going to put them on as well, and then once we're done, I'll show you what it looks like. So they're the old brackets off. So what we've got to do now is you just got to put these ones on. So I've fed one through. It's a bit of a bugger. Basically just have to feed it through, or feed the small part through, because they don't come fully done. So yep. Oh. Edit that. Nope. Ow. There we go. Oh, my thumbs. Oh, here we go. So yeah, you've just got to pop those through, essentially. Oh, God, my thumbs are so cold. Anyway. And voila guys, like that, she is on. So the carbon fibre, there's the shroud. So we had a couple of these like little pop rivety little things, so I need to get them all like this. So I found some in like a department store, like car parts shop, should I say department store? A car parts shop, these ones. That one and that one's holding in fairly well, but these are like the OEM ones. So what I'll do is I'll probably speak to my Mitsubishi themselves and see if I can get a couple of these. But yeah, just need to give that a bit of a clean up as well. Obviously it's just a bit of dusty, dirty, whatever stuff. But yeah, aluminium shroud is on, and like I say, get a couple more of these and then just fill in these leftover holes. But for me, the engine bay is starting to look like something I want it to. We've got the yellow, like I say, the new rocker cover is on. Next thing will be to get that done. We've also got the strut covers, aluminium ones, which again came from Spec R. But yeah, that is on. But mainly, I'm just thankful that the car is back and it starts. And before it pees it down with rain, I'm going to get the car away, go in and enjoy my Sunday. So hopefully guys you've enjoyed the video. Like I said, it was just basically me showing you the new rocker cover, showing you the car is back. We're back in action. We're like 3 weeks out from the first car show, which is so exciting. So that's the fast car show, the fast show at Santa Pod. So if you're going, let me know, drop me a comment in the comment box below. If you haven't, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. But until next time guys, peace out from me and the beast as she's back.